So, our tree includes two otherwise conditions. Do we need both of them? Well, if we were to remove the lower one, our tree would fail to return a result for any purchase request of up to $100, which will return an error. Luckily, we can't remove it. The decision tree rule requires an otherwise condition at the end of the tree. But what if we remove the upper one? What happens then? In this case, any purchase request of more than $100 that is not logged by a member of the sales department would not require approval. Rather than triggering a result in the correct branch, purchase requests that exceed $100, it would trigger then otherwise at the bottom, for which the result is not needed. This example illustrates the importance of testing decision rules. Since decisions are evaluated automatically and can have a significant impact on case processing, it's important to ensure that the decisions we implement return the results that we expect. In PRPC, we can test decision rules several ways. First, we can check for conflicts in our logic. This allows us to determine if we have configured our decision in a manner that prevents one or more of its rows or branches from ever being used. For example, if our decision table contains a row that returns a result, if the purchase request exceeds $300, and another row below it that returns a result, if purchase requests exceed $500 for consulting services, the later row may never be evaluated, because the upper row includes that condition. We can also check our decision for completeness. Similar to checking for conflicts, we want to identify conditions that won't be evaluated. But, in this case, PRPC tells us what conditions are missing from the decision and adds them to the rule for us. Finally, we can also test our decision. The Run option in the Actions menu of the Decision Rule form provides us with a form that allows us to enter values for the properties tested by our conditions. After we enter each property value, the form returns the corresponding result from the decision table or tree. With these three options, we can verify our decision before we add the rule to a flow, a declarative expression, or any other rule in our solution.